Welcome back to our channel, where we provide solutions to common browser issues. In today's video, we will show you how to fix autofill not working in Chrome on your PC. Let's get started. Step 1. First, let's make sure your Chrome browser is up to date. Open the Chrome menu, point to Help, and click on About Google Chrome. If there are any new updates available, Chrome will automatically detect and install them. Step 2. Next, let's check your autofill settings. Open the Chrome menu and click on Settings to bring up the Chrome settings pane. Look for the autofill section. In the Passwords section, ensure that Offer to Save Passwords and Auto Sign In are enabled. In the Payment Methods section, make sure to turn on Save and Fill Payment Methods. To autofill previously saved payment methods and save new ones. In the Address and More section, enable Save and Fill addresses to autofill previously saved addresses and save new ones. Step 3. Now, let's check your sync settings. Click on the profile menu icon in the top right corner of your browser, then click on Turn on Sync. Select the Manage What You Sync option. Make sure that the switches next to passwords, addresses, phone numbers, and more, and payment methods and addresses using Google Pay are enabled. Step 4. If the issue persists, try clearing your browsing data. Press Ctrl-E Asho. Shift-E Aswa. Delete simultaneously on your keyboard to open the Clear Browsing Data window. Select the appropriate time range and the data you want to clear, then click Clear Data. Step 5. If all else fails, you can try creating a new Chrome profile. Open Chrome and click on your account icon at the top right corner. From the Account menu, select Add to create a new profile. By following these steps, you should be able to fix autofill not working in Chrome on your PC. We hope this tutorial was helpful.